abachukulia ba eliogukuna ase sekta ya wasombi imeyense ya Kenya magega yekiombe getenderete amafuta ya EPRA gukinia ligoli goika shilingi 250 nemo engana nigo yabetege gukuna bali bakwamiriria serikali gose United Opposition bakora unere omuraiwe kyama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua umukonyi bo muraiwe kyama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i amona baraibande abange babiri bagwesokia na kugikiria engane yiga ase babiri bagoteba nigo sekta y'obosombi erachikoba igekore mariwo muno murikito Dipon Asanya norobochuru asowekirano
Nirituko liatichi gatatu chitariki 15 omutinyukane omwaka oyega bwechirwe 2025 nemo asaba Kenya babukana komerana no gukina kweligoli lya mabuta chingaki ekiombe getenderete amabuta kya EPRA kyabetege komenta epetroli chishiringi 253 ne chitongoro isano nemo na kyanda ase diesel yabetege komenta chishiringi 4 ne chitongoro 30 ngani gani go yarenta abaraiba United Opposition amo asogo kwanera nene kogikeria gukina kweli goli asebatebire nigere gurubenene uchiase common mwananchi omurai wekyama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua ngamochia omurai wense Dr. William Ruto asoburai bwaye na kubulia omoteneri o Energy and Petroleum Opiyo Wandayi wetigia emiremo.
These Middle East companies will be working either with NOC or with Kenya Pipeline Company, not private companies owned by William Ruto. So there is nothing like government to government deal. It is government to William Ruto proxies and companies. We unequivocally demand for the immediate resignation of Energy and Petroleum, Mr. Opiyo Wandayi, for the fuel scandal and lying under the oath to the National Assembly Committee. We also demand the resignation of Lee Kinyanjui for being complicit and being part of this scandal.
Echigo kichuboigo ni gakwanira egurubenene yokuna chua kwebango uchesaba Kenya aseboigo Eugene Wamalwa abolie bunge enene kuligereria ngane yiga asobwango ekiagera nigekorekana guchikore maria aba Kenya.
On taxation relief to Kenyans, we demand the suspension of the road maintenance levy that was increased from 18 shillings to 25 shillings per every liter of fuel. We also demand the suspension of the affordable housing levy. We also demand the suspension of unwarranted NSSF deductions that are punitive and are used to finance President William Ruto's single-sourced infrastructure projects. We also demand that Parliament remove VAT on fuel products. We are saying on behalf of the people of Kenya that that is a reducible minimum. And if there is no action taken on the part of William Ruto, we shall announce further measures to the people of Kenya to force William Ruto and the National Assembly to act in the best interest of the people of Kenya.
We must demand that this be done immediately na bunge liwe na kikao rasmi kuzungumzia hili kama swala la dharura sababu linaguza kila mwananchi wa taifa letu.
Omokonyi iwe murayo monene bwe kyama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i ngoboigo akwanera ogosoa ku murai wense Dr. William Ruto anene ase sector ao.
When you read all the documents and all the information that has been brought to our attention, it's so abundantly clear that the president and head of state is not just an interested party in this matter. He is a practical key player in this whole matter. And our president is now faced with that conflict of interest where he needs to choose between being head of state and government and therefore the custodian of the welfare of the people of Kenya and the businessman and the practitioner that he is in the business environment. Because for the private sector in this country, the leader of our nation is a predatory competitor.
Komentana yueni go akwanira ogokonga kubugima asamatukale bosio engana ateba nigegweneta kuligererigwa asobwango.
This issue is not dealt with, this matter of oil. I think we haven't seen the worst yet in terms of the direction our economy is going to take and some of the things that are going to happen as a result of the conduct of government business. So when we say publicly that our country is going the wrong direction, We do so because we love our country, we are patriotic, we are responsible people, and we have a moral duty to point out to our fellow citizens when we think we are clearly entering a very dangerous zone in the affairs of our country.
Uripotiri kitaseni kia Getembe ilia nigonguru kwa Dipon Asanya.